Given two of the three sides of a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve the third side. We are given the base of the triangle, one of the legs, to be 3. We're given the hypotenuse of the triangle, because it's the longest side for our right triangle, to be 5. Our job here is to figure out the height of this right triangle or the second leg. Using Pythagorean theorem, we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know our a is 3, so we're going to have 3 squared plus our unknown b value being squared. So our b will be just b squared. Then this is equal to our c value squared. And we know our c given to us to be 5. We'll simplify the left side, giving us 9 plus b quantity squared is equal to 25. Then we'll subtract 9 to both sides of our equation so that we'll have b squared is equal to 25 minus 9 is 16. Then our last step is to square root both sides. So if we square root both sides, we'll end up with our b value equaling 4. So the missing height is 4 units. And that's the straightforward use of the Pythagorean theorem. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But that's it for now.